Can't wait to hear this.
I was worried and missed you.
Yeah, your manicure screams worried. And by the way, Kristen, I called the nail salon, and that nail polish isn't vegan, you hypocrite.
Barbara, that was really good. But remember, try phrasing it as an apology.
Yes.
Good luck.
I called her because I don't know how to help you anymore. All right? I'm trying.
I know. It looked bad. We were both being selfish.
If paying for things is being selfish.
Paying for things. Oh!
It's the principal. Yeah, it's the principal.
Take it to the principal. Take it.
Do you even care about me, or do you just buy me things to keep me around?
What? Of course I care about you. I'm your mother. Juliet, I love you very much. But it doesn't mean that I can't hate some of the stupid shit you do.
See?
No, Juliet, you have got to stop acting like it is beneath you to get a job.
You never taught me how.
Oh. All right. Okay. I will do one last thing.
What is it?
Well, it's only temporary.
Fine.
And you are going to have to get your act together and do some interviews.
Okay.
And you have to take this seriously. No slacking. Only for 1 month.
Fine.
You guys gonna hug?
Yeah,
no,
that's
we've
not
never
something
done
we
that.
do.